Hello everyone, I am Manali Kaude from LG Polytechnic. Welcome to the ongoing tutorial series of subject Operating System. This series is helpful for the students of Computer and IT stream. Today, we will see one of the most important concepts of this subject, that is paging. Let's start our today's session. Before discussing about paging, we will see few terminologies related to this concept. First terminology which we will see is what is logical address. Logical address is also known as virtual address. It is represented in bits format. It is an address generated by CPU. Second term is what is physical address. Again, physical address is represented in the form of bits. An address that actually is available on memory unit is known as physical address. Third term is a page. Logical address space is divided into blocks of fixed size, which is called as a page. Next term is frame. Physical address space is divided into blocks of fixed size called as frame. Then after, next terminology is a page table. Operating system maintains one table which is called as a page table for each and every process. A page table is a data structure used by an operating system to map virtual addresses and physical addresses. Page table is indexed by a page number. The information about the frame number in which pages are stored is kept inside the page table. Page table is used to convert the page number of logical address to frame number of physical address. Now we will see paging technique in detail. It is a memory management technique by which computer retrieves the data from hard disk and stores into main memory for use. In this method, logical address space of process is divided into partitions, and for each partition, contiguous chunk of free memory is allocated. Physical address space of a process will get non-contiguous memory. So, paging is a memory management scheme that eliminates the need for contiguous allocation of physical memory. Paging technique is one type of non-contiguous memory allocation technique. Whenever any process is created, it needs main memory for execution. So, at that time, logical address of a process needs to be converted into physical address, and the conversion is done by using this method, that is paging. So you can say this technique is used to convert logical address into physical address. This technique is used in modern operating system. Now let's see the implementation technique of paging. Paging is a memory management technique in which process address space is broken into blocks of fixed size, or you can say same size, which is called as pages. Similarly, main memory is divided into small fixed size blocks, which is called as a frame, and the size of frame is kept same as that of page to have optimum utilization of main memory and to avoid external fragmentation. The page table is indexed by a page number, and the information about the frame number in which pages are stored is kept inside the page table. It converts the page number of logical address to frame number of physical address. So now let's see how this technique works. So during the process execution, CPU generates a logical address to access instruction or a data from particular location. As you can see over here, logical address is divided into two parts, that is P and D, where P represents page number and D represents offset, means actual location within the page. Page number is used to search the page table, and whenever the page number is found in the page table, corresponding frame number is obtained from page table. Frame number indicates actual frame on physical memory in which page is stored. Frame number is moved forward and the value of offset is moved forward, and then the final physical address is generated by combining frame number and offset. In short, if I say, this technique is used whenever process is to be executed, its pages are moved from secondary storage, that is hard disk, to main memory to get the frames in physical memory. Memory allocation technique will refer to the task of finding the frames in memory and then allocating them to page, and then keeping the track of frame, which frame belongs to which page. This is how the paging technique works. So this was all about the paging technique. Now we will see few questions related to paging. You can answer all these questions in below comment section. So the first question is, define logical address. Next one is, define physical address. Third one is, what is page? Fourth one is, what is frame? Next question is, what is the use of page table in paging technique? And the last question is, paging is which type of memory allocation technique? So this was all about the today's session. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon for future notification. Stay tuned for more such video. Thank you for watching this video.